Welcome to the world of AI and art, a space where creativity meets technology. Today, we will explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the art world. But first, let's break it down. What exactly is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to machine or computer programs that can think, learn, and make decisions. It mimics human intelligence, helping artists generate new and innovative works. But how does AI create art? To answer your question, I strongly encourage you to watch this video from Museum of Modern Art about AI generator art. So let's go to watch this video.
What comes to your mind when you think about AI? Is it the vision of a new evil tech conquering the world? Or a friendly robot that makes our lives convenient? What about an artist? If you've used tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, then you've already encountered one form of generative AI. Generative AI is a class of artificial intelligence algorithms and models designed to generate new content such as images, text, music, and more. Generative AI operates by learning patterns and structures from large data sets, the training data. Then when we prompt it, it tries to deliver exactly what we ask for. The output is similar to the training data, but not exactly the same. This generative AI has raised eyebrows and stirred a controversial discussion that cuts across industries: art, technology, and copyright laws. On one hand, you can make the argument that technology makes art more democratic. Using AI, anyone with a vision can create art without having the traditional skills to execute it. On the other hand, artists whose work is used to train the AI, often without their permission, can argue that it's a copyright infringement, particularly if the output of the AI system competes with the training dataset. The generative AI we're most familiar with creates images based on what we humans ask for, using the training set that we provide. But what if we can create art that looks nothing like its training data? In other words, truly original art, not only compositions based on human-imagined prompts. What would a machine dream about after seeing the entire public collection of the Museum of Modern Art, MoMA? AI artist Refik Anadol explored this question. In collaboration with data scientists, he tested various AI models and their studio-trained AI to create original art. The team at Refik Anadol Studio trained the AI using the publicly available data of the MoMA collection in its 200-year history, from Van Gogh and Pablo Picasso to even images of Pac-Man. They used 380,000 extremely high-resolution images taken from more than 180,000 art pieces. It's astonishing that it looks nothing like its inputs. If you've never heard of it, you have to check it out. It's overwhelming, mind-blowing.
Now that we understand AI in art, let's explore some popular AI generators that you can use to create your own masterpieces. The first one is Midjourney, a favorite among digital artists. Midjourney creates highly detailed AI-generated paintings that mimic human artistic styles. Second one is Deep Dream. Deep Dream uses neural networks to enhance and transform images into dreamlike, surreal artworks by amplifying patterns and textures. Third one is DALL-E by OpenAI. DALL-E can turn text prompts into highly detailed images, making it one of the most powerful AI art generators available today. Now that we have explored some of the most popular AI tools for art making, let's take a step back and see where it all began. AI-generated art isn't just a recent trend, it has a history. In fact, the first AI-generated artworks surprised the world and sparked debates about creativity and machine intelligence. Let's take a look at some of the earliest AI-created pieces that paved the way for today's AI art movement. One of the first famous AI artworks is Portrait of Edmond de Bellamy, created in 2018 by a group called Obvious. It was made using AI that studied thousands of paintings and then created its own. The portrait looks blurry and unfinished, but it shocked the world when it sold for $432,500 at Christie's auction. But AI art started even earlier. In the 1970s, an artist named Harold Cohen created Aaron, a computer program that could draw and paint on its own. This was one of the first times AI was used to make original art. These early artworks showed that AI could be creative, leading to today's amazing AI artists. Now let's meet some of them. Now that we have seen the early days of AI generated art, let's explore some amazing contemporary artists who are using AI in creative and innovative ways. These artists combine technology and imagination to push the boundaries of what art can be. Here are 10 artists who are making a big impact in the world of AI art. 1. Mario Klingemann. Mario Klingemann, often referred to as a pioneer of AI art, uses machine learning to create generative art that explores human perception. His work involves training neural networks on vast datasets of images to produce surreal and often unsettling portraits. Klingemann's AI-generated pieces question the role of the artist and the machine in creativity. 2. Refik Anadol. Refik Anadol is known for his large-scale installation that blend AI, data, and architecture. His work often uses real-time data inputs such as weather patterns or urban traffic to generate mesmerizing visuals. Anadol's immersive pieces transform spaces into digital landscapes that blur the boundaries between physical and virtual realities. 3. Suen Chong. Suen Chong creates art by collaborating with AI in real time. Her practice involves drawing alongside a robot that is trained on her previous works, creating a dialogue between human and machine. This collaboration highlights the evolving relationship between artist and AI as a co-creator of art. 4. Anna Riedler. Anna Riedler is an artist who works with AI to explore themes of data, language, and identity. She creates intricate hands-on datasets which are then fed into AI algorithms to produce unique visual outputs. Riedler's work raises questions about the bias inherent in data and how AI interprets information. 5. Robbie Barrett. Robbie Barrett is a young AI artist known for his experiments with generative adversarial network. He became famous for using AI to create AI nude portraits that challenge traditional art forms. Barrett's work questions whether AI can produce meaningful art without human. 6. Trofo Piglen. Trofo Piglen is a visual artist who uses AI to explore the hidden infrastructures of power. His work often investigates surveillance, facial recognition technology, and AI's role in contemporary society. Piglen's AI-generated art serves as a critical commentary on how algorithms shape modern life. 7. Tom White. Tom White creates perception engines, AI-generated images designed to confuse computer vision algorithms. By playing with how AI interprets visual information, White's work questions the limitations and misunderstandings that occur when machine attempts to perceive the world as humans do. 8. Ian Cheng. Ian Cheng uses AI to create live simulations that evolve in real time. His digital ecosystems are populated by characters driven by AI, which react to their environment and interact with viewers. Cheng's work explores the unpredictability of machine intelligence and its potential for creative expression. 9. Sofia Crespo. Sofia Crespo is known for her AI-generated artwork that focuses on the intersection of biology and technology. She uses neural networks to create digital representations of imaginary life forms, blurring the line between natural and artificial. Crespo's work explored the concept of synthesized organisms and their place in art. And Memo Octane. Memo Octane's work combines AI with themes of religion, ritual, and human consciousness. His installations often feature AI-generated visuals and soundscapes that immerse viewers in a reflective experience. Octane's work explores the ways AI can be used to simulate complex emotional and spiritual states. In conclusion, these artists are at the forefront of a new movement in the world of art, using AI not as a tool but as a collaborator. By integrating AI into their creative process, they are redefining what it means to be an artist in the digital age, opening up new possibilities for artistic expression. Alright, now that we have explored 10 amazing AI artists, let's take a closer look at the works of two of them, Suen Chong and Refika Nadol. Their art is a perfect example of how AI and human creativity can work together to create something truly unique. So, let's go to watch the video from Suen Chong.
Hi Sifa, hello from London. It's a pleasure to be able to connect here with you today virtually. So before we get started, I wanted to share a story. When I was in school, I remember walking into the lobby to see the construction of a dome of the slightest tensile threads. It was mesmerizing. It was a structure that was at once organic, geometric, and architectural, with a surprising architect, a collective of silkworms, the smallest creatures working together in unison. For me, it was a revelation to witness, a combination of art and science with nature, a conceptual synthesis that has lingered in my mind for years. With this hybridity in mind, I developed Realm of Silk. Realm of Silk explores silk being the chrysalis that harbors metamorphosis, and the silkworm as a metaphor for transformation. The work traces a journey through the promises, contradictions of an organic and mechanical process. In Realm of Silk, the life cycle of a silkworm binds together narrative threads of metamorphosis, change, and human and other than human relation. In my work as an artist and researcher, I explore alternative approaches to collaboration and the invention of sensory mixes of the future. With the studio, we develop emerging technologies like robotics, AI systems, virtual reality, and biosensors through performance, drawing, and sculpture. It's part of a long-standing inquiry into the evolution of the human hand. It's been invigorating directing the team in the development of this new performance, inspired by hybridity, nature, and emergence. Realm of Silk will feature a custom multi-robotic system, live improvised cello, and a vibrant and immersive visual environment centered around a painting performance. For this piece, I'm being joined on stage by the renowned Leslie Tan on electric cello, and my music collaborator, Aquarian, who's created a custom score inspired by natural soundscapes and electronic dissonance. It's been a delight to work with Randy Chan and his team from Zed Architecture, who've created a dynamic, kinetic stage in which the performance will unfold. We're thrilled to have our work illuminated by lighting designer Elizabeth Mack and with the support of the SIFA production team in partnership with Studio Silhouette. Thank you to the Singapore International Festival of the Arts.
We can't wait to join you in person in May and have the SIFA audience experience Realm of Silk in its entirety.
I am Refika Nadol. I am a media artist and director, originally from Istanbul, Turkey, currently living and working in Los Angeles, California. For NGV Triennale, we are speculating a new project called Quantum Memories. Quantum Memories is using quantum computation, also quantum physics theory, to speculate a machine in near future create alternative nature. It's a speculation of a machine that exists, and this machine has a mind, and this mind itself can speculate a universe of nature based on what it learned from humanity. It is basically an AI looking at quantum mechanics, and it is speculating that if there is an alternative reality, perhaps a machine can show us that. In our daily life, we are not able to see alternative dimensions. But in quantum mechanics or in quantum computation, there is still a theory of many worlds. And in subatomic world of quantum mechanics, you can see things in superposition. And we are speculating in this project that perhaps if AI can look at this complexity, perhaps it can see an alternative reality. And the speculation here is, what will that alternative reality be through the lens of AI? So simply, we are watching an AI dreaming alternative reality. One of the most complex and ambitious part of this project is data set. So as a team, we have been heavily researching of how to represent our collective memories. And specifically, nature, as we discussed, is one of the most important phenomena of humanity. And we really go this time deeper and find much more unique resources for this project, from social media to libraries to like open source archives to like documentaries, and you name it. And then this diversity brought us much diverse information. So that's already a big data. And then we have also applying each time unique AI algorithms to each problem, because each project is a problem itself, like how to clean the data, how to represent this information, how to be sure that you have enough information to talk about every ocean in the world, every forest in the world, how you can feel every national parks in the world, and landscapes, and the clouds, and the ISS, which is a telescope that we know the selfies of the Earth. Like, how can we bring all this ecosystem into one whole thing that you feel that you are watching something almost real, but it's not real? So we were in an uncharted territory of sometimes we even don't know how to ask questions. Sometimes we weren't even sure, like, honestly, what to type in Google. So, and plus, the team we have been working with, Google AI Quantum team, have wonderful minds, but some meetings were so hard. Like, we were hearing some unique terms, very complex algorithms, some very complex thinking with quantum space. It's a very abstract space. But I think what we can do with this project is like, how can we see this universe? Like, how can we visualize this complexity? So we are taking that truly scientific experiment and bringing out to explain a new narrative for humanity. It's very ambitious, but very exciting.
AI is transforming art, blending technology with creativity. Now it's your turn to explore, experiment, and create. Thanks for watching. Happy creating!